Subprocesses Popen closes stdout/stderr file descriptors used in another thread when Popen errors. An internal library that heavily uses subprocess.popen started failing its automated tests when we upgraded from Python 2.7.3 to Python 2.7.5. This library is used in a threaded environment. After debugging the issue, I was able to create a short Python script that demonstrates the error seen as in the failing tests. This is the script, called threaded subprocess.py. Note, this script does not exit with an EU error when ran from Python 2.7.3. It does fail at least 50% of the times when ran from Python 2.7.5, both on the same Ubuntu 12.04 64-bit VM. The error that is raised on Python 2.7.5 is this. When comparing the subprocess module from Python 2.7.3 to Python 2.7.5, I see the popens _init_ call indeed now explicitly closes the stdout and stderr file descriptors in case executing the command somehow fails. This seems to be an intended fix applied in Python 2.7.4 to prevent leaking file descriptors. This URL. The diff between Python 2.7.3 and Python 2.7.5 that seems to be relevant to this issue is in the Popen _init_. I think I have 3 questions. 1. Is it true it should principally possible to use subprocess.popen, with pipe for stdout and stderr, in a threaded environment? 2. How do I prevent the file descriptors for stdout and stderr to be closed when the popen fails in one of the threads? 3. Am I doing something wrong here?
I would like to answer your questions with yes, you shouldn't have to, no. The error occurs indeed in Python 2.7.4 as well. I think this is a bug in the library code. If you add a lock in your program and make sure that the 2 calls to subprocess.popen are executed atomically, the error does not occur. This means that it is most probably due to some data race in the implementation of Popen. I will risk a guess, the bug may be in the implementation of pipe_cloexec, called by _get_handles, which, in 2.7.4, is and the comment warns explicitly about it not being atomic. This definitely causes a data race, but, without experimentation, I don't know if it's what causes the problem.
Other solution, in the case that you are not handling the files that were opened, e.g. when building an API. I found a workaround to the problem by doing when API calls, to mark all already opened file descriptors as not inheritable. This is somewhat a hack, and the Q&A is available here. How to, workaround of close_FDS equals true and redirect stdout/stderr on Windows. It will bypass the Python 2.7 bug. Other solution would be to use Python 3.4 plus smile. It has been fixed.